Friday Motivation Series. Pick me up for women over 40. Your body is your partner. Hi girls, it's Friday again, and you've made it through another week. Even if your week wasn't perfect, even if you've had moments of doubt or tiredness, you still made it through with intention. And that alone says so much about the kind of woman you're becoming. This week, I want to talk about something that shifts everything when it comes to how you train, how you eat, and how you feel about your body. It's the idea that your body is not your opponent, it's your partner. For so many of us, our relationship with our body has been complicated. We've pushed it, restricted it, criticized it, and ignored it. We've told it to be smaller, to be stronger, to keep up, to just get over it. And after years of that, it's easy to start believing that your body is somehow working against you. You might even catch yourself thinking things like, my metabolism hates me. My hormones are ruining my progress. My body just won't do what I want it to do. But what if it's not your body fighting you? What if it's your body talking to you and you just haven't been listening? Because your body is incredibly intelligent. It's always sending signals, little messages trying to keep you balanced, trying to keep you healthy, and trying to keep you safe. When you feel hungry, it's not weakness, it's feedback. When you feel fatigued, it's not failure, it's data. When you feel tension or soreness, it's your body saying, hey, something needs your attention. But we've been taught to ignore those signals, to push through when we're tired, to eat less even when we're hungry, and to train harder when we probably need recovery. We've spent so much energy trying to control our bodies instead of collaborating with them. And that's why so many women feel stuck. Because you can't fight your body into alignment. You have to work with it. So here's the mindset shift I want you to carry from this week forwards. Your body is your teammate. She's not lazy. She's not broken. She's not holding you back. She's on your side, trying to get your attention, trying to communicate, trying to help you thrive. Think about everything your body's done for you, all the things it's carried you through. Every early morning, every tough workout, every season of stress, every time you kept going, even when you were exhausted. She's been there, adapting, adjusting, doing her best with what you gave her. And now she's asking for partnership, not punishment. That means when you're tired, you rest, not quit. When you're sore, you stretch or walk, instead of forcing another intense session. When you're hungry, you fuel, not restrict. When you feel amazing, you go for it, but from a place of energy, not guilt. Because that's what true alignment looks like. Not fighting against your body, but moving with it. And I know this can feel strange at first, especially if you've spent years measuring your worth by how disciplined you can be or how much you can push through the pain. But that kind of discipline only works for a little while. Partnership, though, that lasts a lifetime. So I want to give you a small but powerful mini action for tonight. Before bed, do a simple 2-minute body scan. Close your eyes, take a slow breath, and start at the top of your head. Notice your face. Are you holding tension in your jaw? Move down through your neck and your shoulders. Is there tension and tightness from stress or training? Feel into your chest, your belly. Are you breathing deeply or shallow? Down through your legs, how do they feel? Heavy or light? And finally your feet. Are they grounded or restless? You don't have to change anything. You're just noticing, listening, building that awareness. Then tomorrow, I want you to respond with care. If you felt tightness, stretch before your session. If you noticed deep fatigue, go to bed early or take a rest day. If you felt light and strong, celebrate with a great workout. If your energy was low, make sure you fuel properly. This is how you rebuild trust with your body, through small, consistent acts of attention and care. Because when your body starts to feel safe, listened to and supported, it responds. Your energy improves, your hunger cues normalize, your training feels smoother, and you recover faster. And those are the signals of a body that's no longer fighting you, but working with you. So as you head into the weekend, I want you to remind yourself, you don't need to earn your body's respect through punishment. You need to build it through partnership. You are a team. You are learning each other again. And that's one of the most powerful parts of this whole process. Not just the physical change, but the relationship you're creating with yourself. So tonight, take a moment to thank your body for showing up, for carrying you through, and for doing her best. And promise her that from here on, you'll do your best to listen back. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to stay connected. You're doing beautifully. Keep showing up, keep tuning in, and keep building that trust. Because your body isn't the problem, she's your partner. And when you two start working together, that's when everything changes.